Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Bulgaria, we'll just call it that. And this is Buzludzha. You see it? It's an amazing monument a long time ago, and it used to be, you used to be open, but I guess it's not open anymore. But it's absolutely amazing. And so let me turn this camera around and we'll look at it again. But look at that. Is that crazy or what? Yeah, that's just amazing. Oops. Let's not do follow. I want to do this. No, not recenter either. I want to get into there, maybe? No? Okay, anyway, that's it. Let's go take a look. Bye. Wow, this is... Okay, so I am absolutely positive you can't even come close to appreciating how crazy large this thing is. I mean, it is just staggeringly, amazingly crazy. And then they have these things. I don't know what these things were, but some kind of things. So my taxi driver is giving me a half an hour, and so which is just phenomenal all of in itself. So let me go back here and we'll see if we can get an amazing picture this way. Wow, 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 wow. Get out of here. That is just staggeringly crazy. He told me there's a policeman up here too, so be careful. And I wish I could get inside, because inside looks amazing too, but look at this. This is crazy. So it's not even going to come close to fitting in my lens here at all. But wow, and you can see the sides, how ruined they are. So there's no roof. I guess people used to be able to crawl inside of here and stuff, but wow. Wow, wow. That is nuts. Wow. They used to use this for conferences and stuff. And it literally is on top of the mountain. Wow, what a view. Hello? Wow. Wow. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing too. Oh my gosh. Remember that flag thing? Yeah, this is higher than that. Wow. Wow, wow. And graffiti, and lots of graffiti. But you know what, you just gotta look past the graffiti. Look at the view from here. It's just crazy too. Let me get out to this corner and I can turn back around and take some more pictures. Wow. Look at the views. That's just staggeringly amazing. Wow. Wow, wow. Get out of here. You know, I think I've seen this thing on TV so many times, and I can't even imagine getting here and seeing it in real life. I didn't even know if I was going to get to it on this thing. I looked at tours and they wanted, you know, like $120 to get here, but crazy. Wow, wow. Wow. Man, I can't even. It's just staggeringly neat, I tell ya. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay. All right, Eric, settle down. You know, you just get giddy when you see things like this that are just beyond understanding and stuff, you know. God, imagine building this thing and you gotta watch out for drips. I hate being dripped on. Wow. And the views are just over the top. No wonder they built this here. Look at these views. This is just, wow. Wow. Yeah, I would have built it here too. And there's my taxi guy. Amazing. I can't tell you how much I wish I could go in, but I certainly don't want to be arrested, and I certainly don't want to get hit on the head by a fallen brick or something. That would not be okay either. Wow. Yeah. Shut the door. Get out of here. This is just... wow. Yeah, that is amazing. Man, oh man. You know, what's funny is you can see the tower behind it. You know, I'm walking down these steps, so I'm focusing on the steps and not watching where my camera's going, but I'm trying to capture everything I can get for you guys. But, yeah. How amazing. I'll get down here and stop again and look. Look at that view. Wow. You have no idea how big this thing is. It is huge. Like maybe football field kind of huge, but round. Yeah, that is just over the top. Wow. Yeah. Incredible. Wow. Amazing. Truly amazing. Okay. All right, I'm going to be done here. I'm going to go fly a drone so you can see around it a little better from above. Very cool, everybody. Thanks so much for coming with me. Thanks for letting me butcher all these words and where I'm at and the names of the cities. Even my driver's name. I can't remember crap from one minute to the next. I guess I'm just getting old and senile, but I won't ever forget this one. Okay, everybody. Bye.